could we restart that we used to do that was really meaningful or enriched us and so on. Just wrapped up Keynote at a school up in here in upstate New York. Administrators. My buddy Skip came out to see me. That was amazing and good to be with him as usual. And got into a little bouldering. Found a little park with some gneiss and granite rock and cranked a little bit. And it reminded me of how important it is to look back and reflect on things we used to do at one time that really gave us joy or filled us with energy or enriched our life in whatever way, meaningful or otherwise, and to look back and ask ourselves, what could we restart that we used to do that was really meaningful or enriched us and so on. And for me, that's climbing. I used to, when I first went full-time as a speaker, I was out on the seminar circuit, and I usually be in the same place for 2 days in a row, and I had a little more time. Now I'm in and out, like usually it's to do the keynote, and every minute I have spare, I try to spend with the client and the people, and be in the room, the hall, and the awards banquets, and in the hallway, and see the other speakers, and really entrench myself in the event. So the consequence of that is I end up not having much time available outside of that, because I want to get home to the family as quick as possible. When I did the 2-day seminars, it was the seminar for the day, and then the evenings were completely to myself. I had no one to try to entertain or get to know better or support. So now I'm going to start doing this, and I'm going to figure out a way, especially when Lizzie goes off to college. Then Emily hopefully will be with me, and because I want her with me every trip, and we'll see how that dream works out though. And yeah, I want to get out and climb every time I can, if there's rock anywhere nearby, and track them down and build that into this schedule. So for you, the question is, what could you look back on and figure out what do you need to restart? Yeah, I better watch it here. What do you need to restart? Bye. Pretty sure I'm gonna miss my plane. It took me an hour to get from the Hertz rental car to the airport. It took me it's 1 mile. It took me a whole hour to drive from upstate New York through New York City, Friday afternoon traffic, to Hertz. 1 hour of that whole freaking thing. I'm trying to be zenned out.